game. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best portable workbenches tested in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. DeWalt Folding Workbench. The DeWalt Folding Workbench is a robust portable workbench with a large work surface to handle a wide variety of jobs. It's straightforward, yet it allows room to perform different duties, more so as it's compatible with triggered clamps that can manage a range of applications. Even with its sturdy metal legs, it only weighs 23 pounds. At the same time, it doesn't sacrifice durability as it has a high weight capacity, so you can perform light to heavy-duty tasks without fear of it breaking apart. Lightweight and easy to carry, you should have no trouble carrying it. Thanks to its fast setup design, it will take less than 3 seconds to open, with the opening handle built to also double as a tool hanger. Number 9. Performance Tool W54025 Portable Multipurpose Workbench and Vise. The Performance Tool W54025 Portable Multipurpose Workbench is a good basic table for your workshop. You can use it as a regular workbench or as a vise thanks to its easy-to-adjust clamps. Your tools are always at hand thanks to the slots drilled in the storage rail. The tabletop even has a protractor, ruler, and grid printed on it to make it easier for you. It's a pretty good portable workbench and it is affordable, but keep in mind that it can only support up to 200 pounds. Number 8. Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center. Every inch of the Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center is designed to be utilized. Drop one table leaf to use it as a workbench. Fold both leaves and secure a piece of wood at the center to use it as a sawhorse. You can also use it as an assembly table and clamping station if you're a carpenter or a joiner. Like I said, there's no inch of this workbench that will go unused. The table has holes in them where you can slip bench dogs to secure a piece of wood. It also has holsters for your electric drills, and a handy storage tray where you can put some screws and other small tools. The price is quite higher than your regular workbenches, but its different features are worth every penny. Plus, this is a Kreg after all. Number 7. Bosch Workbench PWB 600. The Bosch Workbench PWB 600 is a great addition to any workshop. It is compact, easy to store, and so easy to transport. Setting it and stowing it away is easy thanks to Bosch's smart design. Apart from the usual dog holes, the tabletop also has a ruler. This is a nice addition, especially for carpenters or joiners who always have their hands full. The legs are wrapped in rubber to ensure that the table won't slip away while you're working. Number 6. Works WX051 Pegasus Folding Worktable and Sawhorse. This multifunction worktable and sawhorse with quick clamps and holding pegs can support up to 300 pounds as a table and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The legs lock into place and are made of tough molded ABS with steel supports, and the non-slip feet stay in place on both grass and pavement. Yet the Pegasus itself is only 25 pounds, so you can fold it up and carry it anywhere, or keep it in the back of the truck. The integrated clamping system exerts up to 300 pounds of force to keep your project firmly in place, and has a max clamping width of 18¼ And the clamp dog pegs allow you to secure round and oddly shaped materials. This table is 31 inches by 25 inches and is a standard 32-inch high, so it can be linked up with our other works tables and other Pegasuses to make a longer, fully functional work table. Link locks are included. And the folding tray at the base is designed to hold tools, power strips, or anything you need on the job. Number 5. Keter Folding Table Workbench. This formidable workbench features heavy-duty resin construction and aluminum legs that provide plenty of strength. Two 12-inch clamps secure material to the workbench, which features an ample worktop of 33 inches by 22 inches. When the job is complete, it folds into a 4.5-inch thick flat suitcase shape, complete with an ergonomic handle for easy transport. We need to come clean about something. We've been using this workbench for everything from camera gear to a saw stand for a while now, and if it didn't fit the heavy-duty award so well, it might have been our best overall. This table features a 1,000-pound weight capacity yet is very easy to set up, with legs that stow away inside. We like the built-in clamps and the lower shelf for its convenience, but the compact design also makes it easy to stow away. The biggest benefit is that it's rock solid in use, despite not having non-slip feet. If there's room for improvement, it's that the clamp guides aren't as smooth or easy to use as we'd like. Number 4. Works WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. This portable workbench from WRX weighs only 15 pounds, allowing users to carry it from workshop to yard for an outdoor project or throw it in the truck for a trip to the worksite. A high-grade yet lightweight plastic benchtop holds up to abuse. Steel metal legs with rubber feet provide a sturdy non-slip base that can hold up to 300 pounds. The benchtop features 4 pegs to allow for easy clamping and handy guides molded into the surface for taking measurements. True to its name, 2 sidekicks can link together to make a larger table or be connected to Works' larger Pegasus portable workbench. The WRX Sidekick quickly became one of our favorite models in the test. First, we like that despite an unorthodox 2-piece, legs and work surface design, it was easy to set up and quite stable. Also, the work surface is full of measurements and references for better workflow. We also like that we could link this to other WRX tables and that the included bench dogs were of the highest quality in the bunch. Our only moan is that this model doesn't come with or receive squeeze clamps. Number 3. Black + Decker Workmate Portable Workbench. The Black & Decker Workmate has provided a mobile work surface for weekend warriors and pros alike since its debut in the 1970s. Much of its design remains the same today. The Workmate retains its classic foldable metal frame and wide-set legs, which create a rock-solid base. The hardwood work surface doubles as a sizable and versatile vise capable of gripping large pieces. With its rotating pegs and dual handle controls, the vise can be angled to grip irregular-shaped objects. The Workmate's benchtop features 2 height positions to suit a variety of projects. Its sturdy, heavy-gauge steel frame gives it a maximum capacity of 350 pounds, while rubber feet keep this workbench firmly in place. When the workday is over, this portable unit, weighing 14 pounds, folds flat for easy transport. Number 2. Keter JobMade Portable Workbench and Miter Saw Table. The portable JobMade workbench from Keter offers a sturdy, lightweight design with integrated locks for legs and built-in tool storage. Boasting an integrated clamping system with 4 separate clamps, this portable workbench from Keter holds materials firmly in place so you can cut, drill, hammer, or assemble projects. The workbench surface includes 2 metal rails that receive 2-inch bar clamps, making it easy to clamp workpieces. Built-in leg stabilizers keep the table level and in place as you work. The Keter JobMade portable workbench was a breeze to use. The legs snapped up inside the table with a smart, space-saving design, and they lock in securely, making carrying this workbench by the handle drama-free. Also, the built-in storage box under the table is nice, but it's the table clamps that we really liked as they were secure enough to hold a saw in place. The workpieces could benefit from squeeze clamps.
Number 1.
Black Plus Decker Portable Workbench, WM425A. The Black Plus Decker iconic workmate WM425, a portable project center and vise, is a classic portable workbench and sawhorse for clamping, painting, cutting, and more. With a 550 pounds capacity, portable design, and innovative one-handed clamp TM system, the workmate WM425A offers carpenters, mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and woodworkers the versatility they need to get the job done. Built with a heavy-gauge steel frame and bamboo laminate worktop, this bench's rugged design is easy to set up, break down, and store away thanks to adjustable dual-height legs. The workmate's adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs make clamping odd-shaped objects easy. It provides you with 1 9/16" vertical clamping, 7.5" parallel clamping, 19" parallel peg clamping, and 30" diagonal peg clamping.